Introducing our new starter kit that's only $12.49, just in time for Christmas. It has everything that's needed for a beginner. All of the products are quality products for the purpose of helping someone get started. I'm just really pleased that we're able to offer this. So, this is the palm lather version. It comes with Vigon shave cream. Vigon it's a good shave cream. I wouldn't use it with a straight razor, but it's fine with a safety razor. For me, you can see the palm have some soap in there or cream in there. Using a dry brush, I'm looking to get all of the soap into the brush, and then I'll start adding just a little bit of water. As you can see, it doesn't take much water, and I'm adding the water until I start seeing the shine. When I'm seeing some shiny lather, then I know that we're ready to get down to business. And that's exactly what we're doing here. The brush the knot is similar to the original Plisson knot, which is the first synthetic knot that was decent. And it is perfectly acceptable for somebody who's getting started. They'll do just fine with this brush. So the next thing to talk about is the razor. The razor performs much better than I would expect for the price. Now, as an enthusiast, this wouldn't be a daily driver. I'd use it as a travel razor, but for someone to get started, it's perfect, and it's relatively forgiving of mistakes. So I just think it's really good for someone to get started with. And keep in mind, at the price of $12.49, no one is out a very large investment to give this way of shaving a try. So one thing that what else? We're talking about the razor. Another thing I like about the razor is it has a pretty small head. And why I like that is because it's easy to shave in and around the nose. I just hate the big fat razors where you can't really shave around your nose that well. Let's see, I did want to touch back to the Vigon lather or shave cream for just a moment. It does come with more than 4 ounces, so there's plenty of shave cream to last a while. You saw it doesn't take that much. There I am getting in and around the nose. That is really covers all the important stuff. You can see here that I ran out of soap, and I was applying a little to the upper lip. If I had that, I'm still learning how to shave sitting at a table with a bowl of water rather than being in front of a sink. May have gone back. And so this, I want to point out that I'm doing the fool's pass here with no trouble. So it is a pretty decent little razor for the purpose, and that's it. We're all done. Check it out at Hendrix Classics.